In this video, we will show you how to install the CSP-C handle on the AB-100 detection module and connect it to the AVIOR-2. To do this, you will need the AB-100 detection module, the CSP-C handle, and an AVIOR-2 survey meter. Connect the CSP-C handle to the USB-C port on the AB-100 probe. Tighten the screw on the CSP-C handle. Verify that the AVIOR-2 is turned off before connecting the CSP-C handle. Locate the key at the end of the CSP-C handle cable. Making sure the key is lined up, connect the CSP-C handle cable to the AVIOR-2. Turn on the AVIOR-2 by pressing the select button for 2 seconds. The AB-100 module will automatically be detected. The survey meter and the AB-100 module perform automatic control of internal parameters to display the correct information on the AVIOR-2 screen. Put the strap on your wrist and adjust to fit. Remove the protective cover once installation is complete. Your probe is ready to use. After use, turn off the AVIOR-2. Place the protective cover back onto the AB-100. Unscrew and pull the connector off to disconnect the AVIOR-2. Unscrew the screw on the CSP-C handle. Disconnect the handle from the AB-100.